Got my coffee in an old pickle jar. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Oh, I spilled. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am here today at Los Angeles' biggest thrift store, Society of Saint Vincent De Paul. They've opened like 20 minutes ago, so I'm hoping that it's not too busy. This parking lot is pretty empty. There are a couple of things that I'm really on the hunt for. I have been scouring Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist for a giant floor-length mirror. Sometimes they have really great furniture pieces here, so I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed for that. I'm also gonna check out the clothes. I saw they just posted that they had like huge vintage clothing racks, so hopefully I didn't miss out on all of those. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, I totally did not miss out. It's all still here right in the front. I am so excited to go through this. I'm dying over this. Okay, you guys, I'm basically done. Like, that was a score. I found so many good vintage dresses. I'm gonna have to sort through them and decide which ones I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna check out a couple of their sections before I head to the furniture, and then probably have to get out of here. Reminds me of something Michelle Williams would have worn on Dawson's Creek, right? Not totally, but almost Cher Horowitz vibes. I don't know, this is not vintage, and it's not usually something I would pull, but I need some more tank tops, and I like that it's cropped, and it kind of looks like a 90s top to me. I'm gonna hang on to it. All right, I don't know if I can look at any more clothes. I am so burnt out. I've been in this section for about an hour. So I'm gonna take a break and go check out the housewares and see if I can find a mirror. Very 80s, and I feel like they're gonna be pretty costumey. This one's pretty cute. I like the puffy sleeves. I like the color. It's so fun, but it's just a little too like 80s party dress. So after all that fuss, I ended up getting 5 items. I didn't get anything on sale. Everything I liked was not on sale, but whatever, that always happens. I had so many dresses in my cart, but then when I went to look at them in the mirror, they were just a little too 80s. I lean toward like 40s and 50s style, and then 80s that take inspiration from the 40s. I'm gonna go check at the Habitat for Humanity before I go home to see if they have a mirror. I need a mirror so bad. Maybe I'll pop by the Goodwill that's around the corner and just see. I highly doubt they have anything that's like what I'm looking for, but Okay, so I am back. It's actually been about a week since we went thrifting together. Before we start trying things on, I have to show you the mirror I found. It is so good. I did not find it thrifting. I finally found one that I loved on Facebook Marketplace, and it's just like, it's way too good. It's way too good. It's like the mirror of my dreams, and I did not pay much for it at all, especially considering what mirrors cost. Mirrors are expensive. It's nuts. Wait till you see it. It's so good. It's so good. Oh, also, I found this really cute Yosemite mug. Every year, the Darwins take an annual trip to Yosemite. They've been doing it since my father-in-law was a little boy, and so it's very devastating not to be there this year. But this was maybe like a little gift from God. Like, here you go, a vintage mug instead. This was from an estate sale, and it had a price tag on it of like $900. Guess how much I paid for this mirror? Guess. I paid $100. $100. I can't even. This is like the mirror of my dreams. It's so pretty. The main reason I wanted a mirror on this wall is because we have this horrible wall heater back here that's just right in the middle of everything. And so now having a beautiful floor mirror is just gonna look like so chic. Isn't it so chic? Okay, let's do this really quickly. I feel like I'm making a low budget porn in here because the only way I can make this lighting situation work is to hang a sheet in front of my windows. We work with what we have. Okay, I think this might be one of my favorite dresses of all time. It's this adorable light pink vintage 80s dress with these cute button details. This one's missing. I'm gonna have to track one down, but it's very lightweight, comes right to my knees, and I love the puff sleeves. I've just added a vintage belt, and it's the perfect outfit. I love this red dress so much. It was $20, so it wasn't a steal, but it was a great find. It has these cute little floofy sleeves. It's very lightweight. This one falls just below my knees, and there's so much texture. The skirt is pleated, and it has this adorable scalloped collar. This one's outside of my comfort zone. I don't own anything leopard print, but this is a vintage Christina top, and I saw it and thought, why not? This one is not vintage, but it feels like something from the 90s. It's got this scalloped bottom. It's very lightweight. I paired it with my acid wash 90s Calvins, and it's perfect for summer. Scout, you don't want to be in the video anymore? So that is it, you guys. I thought this haul video was going to be so much longer with everything I was throwing in my cart, but in the end, as you could see, everything was just very 80s and costumey. So I'm really happy with the pieces that I did get, and I'm so excited to go thrifting again. I actually have a couple more videos that are going up in the next week or two, so if you want to see those, make sure to subscribe. Please like this video and share it with friends if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Say bye, Scout. Say bye. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys.